Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For my first woodworking project, I built this kitchen island, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made it. So let's get started. As always, I started with the design. I used SketchUp in doing this. The dimension is roughly around 34 inches in height, 66 inches in length, and 42 inches in width. It has 5 drawers and 2 shelves. Let's start building it. First is to make the base of the kitchen island. I used 2x3 pine wood for this. After cutting necessary pieces for the base, it's time to assemble it. I'm done with the base, and now I'll be cutting the plywood for the cabinet. I use 3/4 thick marine plywood. I am now assembling the cabinet frames, and I use pocket holes in connecting the plywood pieces. After constructing the cabinet frame, it's now time to make the drawers and shelves. cut triangle and diamond shaped wood pieces, which will serve as a design at the back of the cabinet. It's now time for paint preparation. Prior to primer application, sanding should be done. 220 grit sandpaper was used during sanding. After sanding, it's now time to apply the primer. I only use a baby roller throughout the painting process as I don't have spray paint yet. So once I'm done with the primer, I did some light sanding before applying the putty. After the putty application, another round of sanding was done. This time I used 240 grit sandpaper. Afterwards, I will be applying a primer again and then the top coat. So after sanding, I applied another primer before doing the first coat. In total, I applied 3 coats for this. For the back of the cabinet, I painted it matte black. And now it's time to assemble the drawers. This will be the face of the drawer. In centering the drawer handles, I use improvised jig. I will now install the hinges for the cabinet doors. Next to work on are the side panels and the countertop. For the countertop, I use 3/4 inch marine plywood, putting 1 by 1 and 1/2 inch wood on each side to make it look thicker. I then paint it using the same painting process. For the side panel, I use 3/4 inch thick marine plywood. I'm drilling countersink holes here to be used later during the installation. I will now assemble the side panels and the countertop to complete the kitchen island. And that's it. The kitchen island is now complete. Thanks for watching the video. If you like similar content, please do subscribe to my channel. You may also try to click the bell button to get notified of my latest video